Hello, this is Matt with Modern School Bus. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to merge cells in Excel. I only merge cells occasionally when I want titles or headers in my file to make things easier to read. You want to be cautious about where you're merging in Excel because it will prevent you from being able to do other things like use certain functions or sort your data the way that you want it to if you have a bunch of merged cells in your spreadsheet. So just be cautious about that. But otherwise, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel. I'm also going to cover how to unmerge cells, and then I'll also show a keyboard shortcut for merging cells. So what I want to do if I want to merge cells is select the cells that I want merged together. So what I'm going to do is create a title that spans across these four cells by merging these cells together. So I'm going to select these four cells, and then you want to make sure you are in home here because that is where you will find the merge options. So the merge options are right here, and you have a few different options. There's merge in center, merge across, merge cells, and here you will find the option for unmerging cells. I like to use merge in center most of the time, so I'm just going to select that. And now I want to type my title, so I'm just going to do monthly sales by color, and maybe I will also turn this a different color just to make the title stand out a little more. So now I have my cells merged together. If you want to unmerge, it is the option here. So I'm going to select this again, and we're going to unmerge cells. Now there's also a keyboard shortcut for merging, and it works very similar to using this merge option here. So you select the cells that you want merged together, and then what you want to do is hold Alt on your keyboard until you see these letters appear. So we're going to press H for home, and then you will see M below merge and center. So we're going to press M, and now you have four options. You can press C for merge and center, A for merge across, M for merge cells, or U for unmerge cells. I'm just going to do a merge and center again, and now I have my cells merged together. Now one thing that you need to know about using merge is that it only keeps the values in the leftmost cell. So if you're merging cells together and there's already values in those cells, you're going to lose the data. So just to show you what I mean by that, I'm going to type some random words here, and I'm going to do a merge. And you will see that this message pops up. It says merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. So when I merge, that other value has now disappeared. So if you have existing data that you want to keep intact, what you actually have to do is combine that into a cell first before you merge. And there's a couple ways you can do that. You can either manually type, or you can use either the concatenate function or the AND operator to combine your data. So if I have these two values in these cells and I want to combine them, I'm going to type concatenate, and I'm going to select this cell, comma, this cell, and this will combine the values. If I want a space in between there, I'm going to put a space and quotation marks and another comma, and now I have my values combined. So I'm going to copy this, and then I want to paste as values. And now if I merge these two cells together, now I have the two values combined. So the other way you can do that is the AND operator, so equals this, and then I'm going to do AND, I'm going to do a space in quotations, another AND, this cell, and now same thing, I can copy, paste this as values, and now when I merge cells, those values are combined together. So that is how to merge and unmerge cells in Excel. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to place a link in the description of the video where you can subscribe to my email newsletter to get free updates and lessons sent straight to your email. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.